This is the new application that I want my coding agent to code for me. I'm using Codex. You can do this with Claude Code or any coding agent that you have. So I've already pasted the stories and the product description. So I'm going to send this to my AI right now, and um, right here I'm just going to let me just stop it, and I'm going to go over to the downloaded file. So let's go over to downloads, and this is the structure, this is the JSON structure, and let's go over to and copy the instruction. So let's just copy the instruction and go over to the coding agent. let's let's give that to so you can see the AI say I will read the structure. So it's reading the structure right now.